In today's video, I'll teach you how to customize your Dailymotion channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you are new to using Dailymotion and you haven't added in anything to your channel and haven't customized it, let me show you everything that you can do and personalize your channel. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Let's head over to a web browser and then search for dailymotion.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to the profile icon on the top right and then click on My Profile. Now, this is the way that your profile is looking currently if you haven't customized it yet. To start customizing, you can click on Edit Profile. Through this section, you can change in a few settings. Firstly, you can change the username if you don't like it. This is the username that is selected based upon the account that you created on the Dailymotion platform. So if you don't want this, you can remove this and add in a custom username. Similarly, you can also change the display or the profile name to your likings and then also add in a description. This way, all of this information will be displayed on the public view in this section. What you can also do in this section is add in a profile image. You can click on the upload image section. And if you have any videos that you can add in, select the videos from your desktop or your laptop and then click on Save Profile Image. This way the image banner will be added in. So that's all it from this section. Now to customize your channel further, you can head back and make sure you head over to the studios or the partners section on the Dailymotion. If you can't find this section, from the homepage of Dailymotion, click on the profile icon and then head over to Studios. Now from this section, there are a bunch of things that you can do. Firstly, if you head over to Content Defaults, this is a section where you can add in default content such as titles and descriptions, so that certain things on descriptions or the categories don't need to be constantly changed. So for example, if you are in a particular niche, such as you are in the cars niche, you can by default select the cars option so that you don't need to select this option in each video that you upload. If you scroll down further, you can also select the created for kids option if your videos are created for kids, not created for kids, or no default setting. So you can select your option based upon the video that you produce and then you can click on Save. Through the partners or the studios of Dailymotion, what you can also do is look at the analytics. If you click on the analytics tab right here and head over to overview, you're going to see all of the information that you have or all of the analytics that you have for your channel. You can look at the views, the number of hours of videos watched, the video through rate, and your estimated earnings. Lastly, on the customization part, you can create certain playlists so that it is easy for your viewers to watch your videos. If you head over to the playlist option, you can click on create a playlist on the top right so that you can add certain videos to a particular playlist for your viewers to watch it. So that was the video about the way that you can customize your channel on Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.